Hey loves, today's video is going to be a haul in action. I know I haven't done one of these in a while. If you're new to my channel, a haul in action is where I haul makeup items, tell you a little bit about them while creating a makeup look with them. In today's video, I created a berry toned eye with gold glitter and paired it with a red lip. I'm using my E.L.F. eye crease brush to apply the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Paradox in and above my crease. Now I'm taking another ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Dynasty and applying it to the outer half of my lid with my Modessa eyeshadow brush. I'm applying the Milani Bella Eyes Gel Powder Shadow in the shade Bella Copper to the inner half of my lid using my AOA E113, and this will just act as a base so the glitter will look as opaque as possible. I'm using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader to highlight my brow bone with another Milani Bella Eyes eyeshadow in the shade Bella Ivory. The first item in today's haul is the Hard Candy Glitteratzi Glitter Gel Palette in Electric Sunset, and this was $6 from Walmart. Here are the swatches. As you can see, they are nice, even swatches. They don't have a thick gel feel, and the colors are so pretty. This palette comes with a mirror as well as two sponge tip applicators. I applied my eyeliner first because one, trying to put liner over glitter is not easy, and I do not want the glitter to be too close to my lash line, so the liner creates a nice barrier as to where the glitter will go. And the glue I'm using is actually lash glue. It is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in clear. Make sure you get clear if you're going to do lash glue. I'm gently pressing that gold glitter onto the glue using one of these sponge tip applicators that came with the palette. Now that I have my glitter where I want it, I'm going back over the shade Dynasty using my AOA E124. And as far as the glitter on my eyeliner is concerned, that's okay because that's going to get covered up with a false lash band. Using my AOA E115, I'm bringing the shade Paradox along my lower lash line. I'm applying the Smoke and Mirrors Just Peachy single eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eye using the E.L.F. small smudge brush. Alright loves, time for the next item in this haul. Technically I've already hauled this if you saw my birthday makeup haul. I featured this in that video. That will be up in the cards if you're interested. This is the bebe Color Crush Highlighter and Blush Duo, and I purchased it from Burlington for $4. Here are the swatches. So you have a pale champagne-y toned highlight and a deep berry toned blush. And I really like that the blush has a subtle hint of shimmer that can add a touch of glow when applied to the cheeks. To apply the blush, I'm using my Basic Beauty Rose Gold Blush Brush. I like that it has a buildable formula, so if you want a light flush of color or a really intense blush, you can do both. Also, the subtle amount of shimmer is great for a glowing from within look. Now I'm using my AOA F19 to apply the highlighter side. It is so pretty, and I think the champagne and berry tones complement each other very well. Before I apply my lipstick, I moisturize my lips with the new LA Colors lip oil. I got it from Dollar Tree for $1 in the flavor watermelon. It moisturized without being sticky, and it smelled really good. The last item in today's haul is the L'Oreal Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 370 Roseblood, and I purchased it from Kroger for $8. I do have a tutorial on my channel where I use the Infallible Pro Matte, and I can already say that I absolutely love this product. Very pigmented, dries down completely matte, but it's still comfortable and it's very long lasting. Here's the completed look. The Hard Candy Glitter Palette and the L'Oreal Lipstick are my two faves out of today's haul and action video. Everything will be listed down below in the description. Since I'm playing catch up with videos, I thought this would be an amazing way to show you loves multiple products at the same time. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!